Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and other useful and informative video which is about how to fix iOS 17 battery draining fast on iPhone. So after iOS 17 update, so how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have turn on your location service. Fix this problem. First solution, you have click on setting, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on privacy, then you have click on location services turn off. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off. First solution is not working there. Second solution, you have remove unnecessary widgets from the home screen. Then you have widgets on your iPhone, then you have see my iPhone 2 widgets, then you have remove stack from your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. If their second solution is not working, their third solution, you have to use the dark mode. So you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on display and brightness, then you have click on dark mode is turned on your iPhone, then you have uses dark mode on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have disable background app refresh. So you have then again open the setting and click on general, click on background app refresh. So you have, I have already turned off, then you have click on background app refresh, and then third three option on your available on your iPhone background app refresh. So you have turned off this option, and then other solution, you have turned on auto brightness. So you have again open the setting and click on display and brightness. So you have automatic from here, then you have turn on, then you have click on accessibility, and then you have click on display and bright text size, then you have turn on disable turn on auto brightness. So from here, and then other solution, you have restart your iPhone is regularly. So you have must be not face this problem. So you have a volume up button, press the volume down button, and then you have press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed in 10 to 20 seconds wait. And then other solution, you have turn on low power mode. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on low power mode is turned on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting and click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone is available on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed, and then you have installed on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.